I am keeping a close eye on radar. That's what David's talking about.
Look at that.
Line of thunderstorms. It's coming, hitting mostly the hill country, though, and still expecting that the more severe part of this will stay off towards the east. There is a severe thunderstorm warning that continues. This is outside of our viewing area, but there it is. It does include a sliver of I-10. This is to the west and north of Houston, just to the west of Conroe. This is where we could see wind gusts over 60 miles an hour. There's a chance for maybe some quarter-sized hail within that. Farther west, it's mostly just the locally heavy rain, the frequent cloud to ground lightning, along with potential for some smaller hail, possibly upwards of penny-sized hail. Kerrville now starting to see some light rain, heavier rain towards Canyon Lake, and also seeing some heavy rain approaching Gonzales County and Lavaca County. Closer look at Kerr County and Kendall County, pockets of light to moderate rain. Heaviest rainfall farther north there from Harper to Fredericksburg. Another area of very heavy rain from Dripping Springs to Canyon Lake. Farther east in Luling and Schulenburg, you can see some heavy pockets of rainfall. There's one thunderstorm just to the east and southeast of Hallettsville. That's in Lavaca County. So pretty wet out there across our northern counties. This is going to continue to move to the east and southeast. We'll see that over the northern and northeastern part of Bexar County within the next about 40 minutes to an hour. Severe thunderstorm watch until 7 o'clock this morning for those areas in pink. Minor flooding possible there for far northern Kerr County, that is northwest of downtown Kerrville. This is the weather maker that's triggering that. It's a stationary front that could help to produce more thunderstorms later today and then again later tomorrow. Could see another line of storms coming in from the north this afternoon, late this afternoon into the evening. Otherwise, partly sunny this afternoon, mostly cloudy tonight. For tomorrow, during the day, an isolated shower or thunderstorm possible. And then tomorrow night, our northern areas could pick up a couple showers or a thunderstorm. It does look drier Sunday into next week. I'll talk about the next weather maker that's going to dominate next week. Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk for isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms in the yellow. This is a level 2 risk, primary hazards being high winds and large hail. Marginal risk tomorrow, level 1 risk could pick up a strong thunderstorm or two later tomorrow. This is how much rain we could pick up across the area through tomorrow night. Half an inch around portions of Bexar County, maybe even an inch, closer to 2 inches in portions of the eastern zone. Next week, we are going to see another heat dome dominate. This is going to move in. This upper level ridge will bring us very hot and dry conditions next week. Underneath this, the hot air gets trapped, and that ridge will be right over the state. Right now, live look outside. Raul B. Rodriguez Law weather camera, 79 degrees and cloudy. May already see some spotty showers in and around San Antonio and Bexar County, but we'll see more rain coming within the next hour or two. Slight rain chance at noon, 30% this afternoon. Otherwise, partly sunny and a high of 93. 40% rain chance today in the eastern zone and the hill country. Out west, clouds this morning, sunshine this afternoon with highs there right around 100 degrees. 40% rain chance tonight, 20% tomorrow, 30% tomorrow night, 95 on Sunday, just a 10% rain chance. Next week, we're in the upper 90s, especially Tuesday and Wednesday, with a very small rain chance late next week. Triple digits in the western zone all of next week. Hill country, 20% rain chance tomorrow, 30% on Sunday. Well, that is a look at your 4-zone weather. Keep it right here. More news, weather, and traffic coming up after.